Hey, welcome back. Today's video is going to be how to set up your Zoom account so that when you schedule an appointment on one of your calendars, it will automatically put that Zoom link in the calendar invite and you can be off to the races, sending out your calendar link so that then the appointments show up right on your calendar, your client's calendar. The Zoom link is already there. It's all set up and automated. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, we're going to come into your account. We're just going to go to settings. And then we're going to go to my profile. We're going to scroll on down here. Make sure that your calendar is already connected. Okay. Once your calendar is connected, we're going to click on video conferencing and we're going to click add new and we're going to connect Zoom. Okay. And that is going to have you log into your Zoom. And once that's all confirmed, you'll go ahead and hit and then allow. And now it is all connected in just a second. Okay, now that that's connected, we're going to go ahead and hit close, and we see that that is there. We have this little green check here because this one is set by default, but that's okay. That's just what I prefer. To be able to make sure that Zoom is being used, what we're going to do is now we're going to go to calendars and then say that I wanted to use Zoom for my discovery calls. Okay, so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to edit this calendar. Okay, and we see right here that I've selected myself as a team member for this calendar, and now I'm just going to choose Zoom as the meeting location. Okay, so now that that meeting location is set to Zoom, I can hit save. And now when somebody goes and creates a new appointment on that calendar, it's going to automatically put the Zoom link into that calendar invitation. Thanks for joining me today. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you are interested in getting GoHighLevel, go ahead and click the link below to be able to get 14 days free, and you'll be able to get off to the races with everything you need to grow your business.